Hey Steven, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate you being on the phone with me earlier and just kind of giving me the okay to send this video over to you guys. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy over there in Colorado Springs getting those roofs done. So with that being said, there's three things that I'm going to talk to you about today, okay? There's content, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. And you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, a lot of roofing owners, right, roofing company owners are too busy running their businesses to really understand and grasp the fact that the internet could bring them even more of that business, right? So what I'm just going to do today is kind of break down these things for you so that and if this is all completely educational, informational, and what you guys do with this is completely up to you, okay? So first things first, as I was kind of moving around here your website, I did and noticed that it was super easy to navigate. There was nothing really wrong with it. Every link that I clicked on worked amazingly, and I gotta say that whoever made this really took the time to pay attention to detail and to make it a really nice looking site. Okay, now unfortunately Google cares more about content than anything else, right? So if I were to just highlight all of your content here and copy it and put it in my word counter, I do have to let you know that Google thinks that an authoritative website, an authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, right? And it looks like you're sitting right at 1,501, which is great. You are perfect where you are, okay? The only thing I would ask you to do is just add keywords, right? Relevant keywords to what you do. So especially if you're out of Colorado Springs or Louisiana, as I did see on your homepage. So I would put things like, roofers, Colorado Springs, or roofing companies in Colorado Springs, roofers in Colorado Springs, Colorado, things like that. That would help greatly increase your visibility on Google, okay? And Google would find you a lot easier. Now, the second thing I'm going to talk to you about today are backlinks, okay? Now, I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs, right? It's right here. And this is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, but there are other free tools out there that you can use that are at your disposal. All you'd have to do is just Google keyword researcher for free, or maybe even like backlink checker for free, things like that, and you can see exactly what I'm seeing, okay? Now, what Ahrefs does is basically it pulls the curtain back and allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website, right? So it breaks down like statistics and does some analysis on your website just to kind of see where it's at and what it's doing, okay? And how it's performing. So according to this, you have 78 referring domains, okay? And basically what that means is you have 78 other websites that are linking to you, okay? And the backlinks part just means that they're linking to you 2,030 times, okay? So 78 websites are linking to you, and they're doing that over 2,000 times, okay? You have 54 keywords on your entire website, and you have roughly 37 people visiting your website per month on average, okay? It's bringing you a total of $1,100 in traffic value. So I went on ahead and did the same thing to your competitors, okay? I'm not making these numbers up. I'm showing you so that you can see that I wasn't lying to you or anything, okay? Which is AmeriPro Roofing. Now these guys have 262 referring domains, right? And they're linking to them 1,570 times, okay? Now look at the amount of keywords these guys have. 2,500 keywords. They have roughly 2,700 people visiting their website on average per month. And look at their traffic value. It's worth over $14,500. Compared to your $1,100, I say it's a landslide. The only reason, and basically what that tells me, I should say, is that you're leaving a lot of money on the table for these guys to take, okay? By not taking these tips and tricks, they're going to keep taking that money away from you. Essentially, they're ranking higher on Google than you are, right? Bringing in more revenue, getting more phone calls, landing more jobs, okay, than you guys are. So that's my second tip, okay? So what I would ask you to do is just do the research and see what AmeriPro Roofing, who they're linking to and who's linking onto them, the keywords they're using, things like that, and that would greatly increase your rank on Google. If these backlinks and referring domains are good enough to rank your competitors, well then they're good enough to rank you, okay? So definitely do the research and see exactly where these guys are getting their links from, okay? So that you can get this amount of traffic value right here, $14,500. So lastly, I want to talk to you about citations, okay? Citations are just anywhere that your business name, phone number and address can be found on a directory. Now, a directory is like Angie's List. You've got Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp. Just off the top of my head, those are 5 directories that you could put your business on. Now, there are other directories that are local to Colorado Springs that you could use as well that I would highly recommend, right? But also you'd have to do some research to see where Divine Roofing is listing their business on, which directories they're using, and I would want to use them as well, okay? Now, if I'm completely honest with you, this is where all the traffic goes, right? And the way you land on here is by having more directories than your competitors. So if Divine Roofing has anywhere between 100 to 150 different citations, I'd want to one-up them, right? If I were you guys, get up there and do at least 200, maybe 250, just to ensure that you're constantly remaining on top here. Okay, this would just mean that you'd be getting most of the calls, you'd be getting most of the traffic to your site. Okay. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but I'm not one to scroll all the way down here to the third or fourth page of Google to find what I'm looking for, right? I typically just stick here to the first 2, maybe even 3, right? Whenever it comes to things that I'm looking for, right? And I went on ahead and Googled roofers Colorado Springs, just so you know, okay? So you're probably wondering what to do with this type of information, right? So just to review, your content is right on the money, right? You're exactly where you want to be. You just want to up your keywords, right? So if we look over here to your competitors, they have 2,500. You have 54. So you're definitely going to want to see what keywords these guys are using, so that you can use them yourself. Okay. And then secondly, backlinks, right? Just ensuring that you're able to do the research on your competitors to see which websites are linking to them so that you can link to them as well, okay? And then lastly, same thing with the citations, doing the research on Divine Roofing to see exactly where they're getting their citations from, and you can use those as well, okay? Now you can take that path, or if you wanted to take a different path, or if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, maybe you're like some of my other clients that are like, you know what, I would like some help with this, okay? So you could definitely reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much, Steven, for your time. You guys have a wonderful day.